What is it, Brady? What's in there? What is that, Brady? What is that?
Can I pour them all over the glass?
Yeah, pour them out. Brady, what are those? What are you going to do with all those binkies? Huh? What are you going to do with all those binkies? What are you going to do? Peyton, tell her thank you. Yeah, tell her thank you.
Thank you. Is that going to do it right now?
Not right now, but it will. I'm going to send it to her. What you got, Brady? Look at all the binkies! Look at all the binkies! They're everywhere! What are you going to do with all those, Brady? You want them open? You don't need them open! You don't need them open! You have them open! Peyton, open those for him. No, just that pack. Just that pack. Hurry! Open them for him. All right. You don't care what color it is, do you, man? Got to try them all out. You gonna try them all out? Huh? You gonna try them all out?
I'm going to go to the back door real quick.
For what?
Thank you.